Assalamu Alaikum wa Rahmatullah, and welcome. You're watching H.Marketing, the channel where we bring you the best and most trusted Amazon products. Today's video is especially for the women and girls who love jewelry, and that too at a stylish and budget-friendly price. So stay tuned till the end, because what we're about to show you is also a perfect gifting option. Do you waste time looking for a new jewelry set for every outfit? Or are you looking for a beautiful, complete, and stylish gift for someone? Well then, this one's for you. Sparkle's the IFKM 36-piece gold-plated jewelry set. This isn't just a set. It's a complete treasure box. It includes, for necklaces, 11 bracelets, 7 ear cuffs/earrings, 14 knuckle rings, and all of this for just $16.97. This is the #1 bestseller in women's jewelry sets, with over 6,000 purchases just last month. Now let's talk about what makes this set special. Ring design. Each piece is beautifully designed to be worn individually or layered together. Whether it's casual wear or party attire, this jewelry complements every look. Wrapped gift. Perfect gift option. Valentine's Day, birthdays, anniversaries, or friendship gifts. It's a wonderful choice for any occasion. Money with wings. Price and value. Just $17 for 36 pieces. That means each item costs around 47 cents. You won't find jewelry this pretty and affordable anywhere else. Shield quality and style. Though it's fashion jewelry, the gold-plated finish gives it a luxurious touch. It's great for everyday wear too. White medium star rating. With over 2,450 reviews and a 3.8 star rating on Amazon, it's a favorite for anyone looking for variety on a budget. Who is this jewelry set perfect for? College and university students. Women looking for a thoughtful gift. Fashion events, weddings, and parties. Those who want high value in a low budget. Style lovers who want to skip expensive brands. If you want to buy this beautiful set or gift it to someone special, backhand index pointing right, click the link in the description below. At such a low price, with such high value, this deal won't last long. Order now. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel, share it, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss out on our next videos. Thanks for watching. Assalamu Alaikum wa Rahmatullah, and take care. Waving hand.